Your cooking scares even the smoke alarm.
Every dish you make feels like a survival challenge.
At least my food doesn't come out black like yours.
Black? That's called extra crispy, not burned.
Firefighters should get credit then.
My food has character, Terry. Yours has warning labels.
Your cooking once made the cat run away.
That cat had taste buds, unlike you.
Says the chef who Googles how not to burn water.
At least I experiment, Hank. You repeat disasters.
You once served raw hope and burnt dreams.
My food builds immunity.
Oh.
Yes, against happiness.
You call cooking guessing.
And you call burning confidence.
Admitted at, my food is memorable.
Trauma usually is.
One day you'll appreciate my skills.
That day, we'll order takeout.
At least we eat together. You always criticize, never appreciate effort.
Effort doesn't excuse explosions in the kitchen.
That was one end time.
The fire department remembers it differently.
You exaggerate everything.
So does your smoke alarm.
At least I try new recipes.
All equally dangerous.
Cooking is about courage.
Then you're very brave and very hungry.
You never support my hobbies.
I support eating food that survives.
You're impossible to please.
Try not burning dinner, Fang. Start there.
One day I'll be famous for my cooking.
S on warning labels.
You always remember my failures.
Because you repeat them.
Still, we eat together every day.
That's why we survive each other.
Marriage is harder than cooking.
At least cooking comes with recipes.
You never read instructions either.
Adapt.
I adapt. You panic.
We try every day.
Trying doesn't mean winning.
Marriage isn't about perfection.
It's about surviving mistakes.
Even burnt dinners.
Especially burnt dinners.
We argue because we care.
And because you burn food.
Anger passes.
Respect stays.
We roast, but we don't quit.
That's how marriages survive.
Marriage teaches patience.
Especially when food is involved.
We fight, but we learn.
Learning takes time.
Mistakes don't end marriages.
Ignoring them does.
We argue because we are honest.
Silence
hurts more than shouting.
Cooking fights are small battles.
Respect wins the war.
Anger fades.
Love remembers tickets.
Marriage is teamwork.
Even when the team argues.
We don't quit over burnt food.
We grow stronger instead.
Arguments test marriage.
Commitment protects it.
We roast, we argue.
But we stay together.
Life isn't about perfect skills.
It's about honest effort.
Everyone burns something in life.
But quitting burns more.
Anger is temporary.
Respect is permanent.
Marriage tests patience daily.
Patience builds peace.
We roast each other.
But never abandon each other.
Love means staying.
Even when it's hard.
Cooking fights are just excuses.
Real issue is communication.
Listen before reacting.
Understand before judging.
That's how marriages last.
Not perfect, just committed.
We argue, we learn.
And we choose each other every day.